course, I'll also take you back to 2012. When Ek Tha Tiger got released, you shared your screen space with this century's superhuman, if I say, in terms of its masculine appeal, Salman Khan, and the series which became popular after that, the Tiger series. You appeared in each one of them.
I appeared in two out of
Two
three.
of them, sorry. What was it to feature alongside Salman Khan? What did you learn from him? जब आप रॉ का एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं और उनको बड़ा रोल टाइट दिया गया है, वो फिर भी एस्ट्रे हो जाते हैं कटरीना के चक्कर में, और आप बार बार कहते हैं तू राइटर है या जेम्स बॉन्ड. आपको ये कहना भी पड़ता है वहाँ जाके. व्हाट वाज इट टू वॉक ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ लंदन, इस्तांबुल, लड़की तुझे ज़्यादा अफेक्ट कर रही है, पूरी दुनिया तो तू चूस के थूक गया और थैंक यू बोल रहा है. थोड़ा पर्सनल है. व्हेन ही सेज he's trying to purchase perfumes and fragrances for Katrina. ये हमारा मिशन है, तेरा पर्सनल मिशन नहीं. To get into this sort of a environment with Salman, what was it working like with him in that era in 2012 when you were also about decade and a half old into the films, and he was of course at the prime of his success?
Well, he's still at the prime of his success, and working with Salman Bhai is always, at least for me, has been a great experience. He's always been very kind, very generous with me, and the world that Kabir Khan and YRF had created in Tiger, especially when we did first one,
Istanbul and London.
एक था टाइगर का जो पहली जो फिल्म थी. सो जो यूनिवर्स उन्होंने जो क्रिएट किया था, इट वाज अ वेरी एन्चेंटिंग, इंडियरिंग, exciting world, where it's a mainstream commercial spy film, but with a difference.
Right. Because you were in your late 30s at that time, and Salman was, of course.
That hardly matters. For an actor, age is quite a flexible thing. So yeah, we had a great time, and Salman Bhai, what best thing about him is I see his generosity. I have worked with other people also, where on set, especially when they are on camera, their generosity gets put to the test.
Ji.
How much they are willing to give to their by stature, somebody smaller as a supporting actor, how much they are willing to give in that.
Absolutely.
But Salman Bhai in that sense is he's very generous, very he's not insecure at all about anything. So yeah, that's the one trait which I love about him.
Really? And it was, all of a sudden that this proposal came from Kabir Khan, or Salman also of course wanted you to?
No, Kabir was the one who wanted me, and he's the one who onboarded me.
मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ वहीं तक अपने आप को दायरे में सीमित रखा. After 2012, of course, you did solid characters, even if they were meant to have a little bit of comic touch. For example, playing the role alongside that of Salman in the Ek Tha Tiger, that was a quite, I would say, a hefty character, which was carrying a heft because you were on certain mission. You wanted to deliver a message to the society as well, that certain scandals, certain scams also take place in the lives of raw officers who are in the service of the society as well, and how to bring that discipline, how to also maintain probity in our lives. मैं जिस्म के बारे में इसलिए बात करना चाहता हूँ. Of course, you can skip the question if you feel like, क्योंकि वो एक भट्ट फैमिली का प्रोडक्शन था और डायरेक्शन था. I want to understand from you what actually went wrong with the Bhatt family. Of course, there was some references which you have made in some of the interviews in the past as well. But what exactly went wrong? Because many still believe in this country that when 2611 probe started and when it reached the home of the Bhatt family, people questioned their ability to influence the film fraternity in one way or the other. The 2611 probe put a lot of questions on that family as well. Is there something which impacted you personally, or you realized that there were, of course, some other things which disturbed you over the past 2 decades or so?
2611 वगैरह तो बहुत बाद में हुआ. My incident with them happened much earlier. और इसको हो गए 20-25 साल. Ron, I don't want to keep delve into this. But इतना मैं ज़रूर कहूँगा कि वो कहते हैं ना, lies spreads more quickly but truth lasts longer. So यही मैं इतना कहूँगा कि सच फाइनली बाहर आ ही जाता है, कितना भी आप ट्राई कर लो.
हाँ, क्योंकि लेकिन एक बात वैसे दोहराना ये चाहूँगा कि कहीं न कहीं अगर हम दिल्ली के पॉलिटिकल सीन्स को देखें, तो जिस फैमिली का हम ज़िक्र कर रहे हैं उनकी एक आगे पूजा भट्ट जो हैं, वो कई बारी राहुल गांधी के साथ में बड़ा नज़र आती हैं और आपने
But I don't want to get into commenting on what they do and
of
what
course
they
not.
don't.
I'm saying that, but we'll of course wrap through this interview very fast as well. But you of course may want to skip this question as well. But I, not as a journalist, but I as someone who's been a committed fan of yours, especially from Singh is King to Ghosla days, and the two films that you did together with Konkana. What exactly went wrong? Where, and would you actually want to reverse the clock and say that that maybe we could have been together and let's have that innings together with Konkana ji?
A very sweet and poignant question. What went wrong between us? I won't say much on that front. Let's just say there were issues of values. Certain values did not match, and so we decided to amicably part ways. And no, I don't believe in winding the clock back. समय का तीर एक बार निकल जाता है तो निकल जाता है.
But both of you had a very dignified conduct, both in public and in private space, in terms of raising Arun. Often he's seen celebrating that moment together with you and Konkana ji on the either side, both of you.
Yeah, his birthdays, yeah.
His birthdays. And so what is it like? I mean, at times he spends time with you and her both?
Yes, I've said this earlier also in interviews. So he spends half his time with me, half his time with his mother. So if we are both in town, it's 1 week each. If she's traveling on work, I don't travel, I stay here with him. If I'm traveling on work, she stays here. We live in the same neighborhood, so it's pretty seamless for him, the transfer from one house to the other. And I think I've said it before, I'll say it again. We might not have been able to give him one loving home, but we have managed to give him one loving neighborhood. So
no joint parenthood, but joint loving.
Yeah, so I would take this opportunity to encourage all couples who have children and have parted ways to please have joint parenting, because it's
necessary for a child.
Yeah, absolutely necessary for a child.
So when three of you are together, there are no angry moments. It's always about love and
yeah. Everything is peaceful. Yeah.
Of course. I mean, she has also done incredibly well. Her series with Manoj Bajpayee Saab was quite a phenomenal success.
Yes, I saw that. Killer Soup.
Soup.
Yeah. Very good, yeah.
I mean, just like
that's also made by one of my favorite filmmakers, Abhishek Chaubey.
Oh yes, I mean, of course. In fact, I had interviewed Manoj ji here only after the Killer Soup was making giant waves. लेकिन अगर मैं आज बात करूं, चलिए कोंकणा जी के बारे में बात की, लेकिन आपकी एक और भी बड़ी खूबसूरत चीज़ है जो लोगों को बड़ी भा गई, वो ये थी कि आपकी और रजत कपूर साहब विनय पाठक की जो एक तिगड़ी थी ना, इसने एक नया मकाम हासिल करके रख दिया था इंडिया में. वो तिकड़म जो थी वो शायद कोई थ्रीसम कोई और ला नहीं पाया. व्हाट इज़ द सीक्रेट फॉर दैट टुगेदरनेस ऑफ थ्री ऑफ यू कि आपने इतनी सारी फिल्में भी करी और कॉमिक टाइमिंग भी आपने रखी, रजत कपूर की तो डायरेक्शन में भी आप काम करे और प्रोडक्शन में भी, तो वो क्या जो चीज़ थी आप लोगों को आकर्षित करी, और कुछ थोड़ा सा हमें वो उन दिनों के बारे में बताइए कि कैसे आप लोग मिलते थे.
उन दिनों के नहीं, अभी भी हम लोग साथ हैं, दोस्त हैं, अभी भी हम साथ में काम करते हैं. हाँ, थिएटर भी करते हैं हम लोग साथ में. और कोई तिगड़ी ऐसी बन नहीं है. देयर इज अ होल बंच ऑफ अस हु आर फ्रेंड्स, वी डू थिएटर टुगेदर.
जैसे कौन
और भी लोग हैं, चंद्रचूड़ राय हैं, राधिका मेहरोत्रा हैं एक्ट्रेस, और एक्टर्स एक्ट्रेसेस हैं. अच्छा. मलिका, मानसी मुल्तानी. देयर आर होल बंच ऑफ अस हु वर्क टुगेदर.
ठीक है.
Of course, Rajat is our, you can say our pillar. So is Vinay actually. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कोई तिगड़ी नहीं है. We are friends who have common tastes and like working with each other. सो अभी भी हम लोग थिएटर साथ में करते हैं,
बट
फिल्म्स में भी उतनी
ब्लॉकबस्टर आप लोगों ने बड़ी दी ना, मिक्स
नहीं,
डबल्स हो
but
गए,
उसके लिए then you need
घोसला का
producers
घोसला
ना
हो
यार,
गया।
you need producers, you need producers to come and facilitate that. None of us are producers.
Correct.
Rajat is a director, actor. Vinay is a writer, actor. I am a
हाँ, पैसा
actor,
लगाने के लिए तो कोई
director.
चाहिए।
Somebody, you know, आज भी रजत की films find it difficult to get platforms. So
तो फिर
it's,
कैसे, how do you find the nuanced way of convincing a producer that this is what the genre
नहीं
is?
यार, I mean, there's no, I mean, we are struggling. I mean, he's struggling, we are struggling. So that's जब हम लोग बोलते हैं publicly तो media उसका
कोई मानता नहीं है,
मानता नहीं
उसका
है,
मजाक उड़ा देते हैं
हाँ,
कि 25 लाख चाहिए।
correct.
अच्छा, रैपिड फायर करेंगे और उससे पहले बस एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि आपने इतना अटैक जो रखा है डायनेस्टी पॉलिटिक्स पे, लेकिन अगर आपकी फेवरेट पार्टी, जो कि मैं मान रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता कि है या नहीं, आप तो बताएंगे, वो बीजेपी है और प्रधानमंत्री साहब आपके फेवरेट लीडर हैं, तो अगर कभी न्योता आता है अगले 10 सालों में भाजपा को बम्बई से, या हो सकता है अभी महाराष्ट्र में चुनाव, वो बोल दें रणवीर शौर्य साहब आप बम्बई नॉर्थ से या कहीं से लड़ना चाहें और हम आपको लड़ाना चाहते हैं, तो यू विल बी हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ देम?
यार पहली बात, मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं कहा बीजेपी इज माय फेवरेट पार्टी, और यस आई हैव एडमिरेशन फॉर प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी. आई थिंक ही हैज हिज हार्ट इन द राइट प्लेस, और ये चीज़ मैं अकेला मैं नहीं हूँ, दुनिया के कई लीडर्स को आप सुन सकते हैं कहते हुए दैट व्हाट ही वांट्स फॉर इंडिया, you know, nobody can doubt that. His perseverance, his commitment to the well-being of all of India, nobody can doubt that, and neither do I. और बाकी जो people who doubt that, वो सबको दिखता है why they doubt it, because they want the Raj back, meaning the Raj meaning the dynasty Raj back. So people see through that now, and that is what I subscribe to, और इसीलिए मैं that's why I support Prime Minister Modi against the dynasty. But that doesn't mean that I agree with everything BJP does, not at all.
Of course you have your disagreements
Yeah,
at times,
and
like every other Democrat.
बाकी यार पॉलिटिक्स, एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करना, मैंने तो अपने प्रोफेशन में अभी कुछ ऐसा अचीव नहीं किया कि मैं बोलूं you know कि मैं पॉलिटिक्स में कुछ अचीव
That's
करना
very
चाहता
humble and modest of you.
हूं. नहीं, and it's also real
But
of
we
me.
believe that you have had a roaring success this year.
Thank you. नहीं, but this is not the kind of success. This is not the biggest kind of success available in this business.
So we'll enter into the rapid fire
Sure,
round,
sure.
starting with the Shikhar Home series. ये difficult होगा लेकिन हम start जरूर करेंगे. Do you know what is fibular hemimelia anisomally and congenital short femur?
Is the Sheikh, I think.
जो जिससे M suffer करती है.
नहीं, I don't know what that is.
When and where do you play the song featuring you and Malika Sherawat? मैं टल्ली हो गई.
नहीं, हार्डली एवर. कभी मैं बाहर जाता हूँ कोई पार्टी में या क्लब में, तो कभी डीजे मस्ती में बजा देता है तो बजा देता है. हालांकि उस पिक्चर का मेरे को जो सबसे अच्छा गाना लगता है वो मोहित चौहान वाला वो है जो याद तेरी आए.
Correct.
That's my favorite song from the album.
Since you of course acted in such a powerful role in Singh King as Puneet, if you would like to dedicate song Teri Or to anyone, who would it be apart from Katrina?
Not woman. To lead roles.
To lead roles.
तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर.
How many property dealers Ranveer Shore has interacted with during his house hunting, especially after Khosla ka Ghosla?
Many. And trust me, property dealers are the same everywhere, not just in India, in the world.
अच्छा, आपको भी लूटा है?
नहीं, लूट है ऐसे सारे प्रॉपर्टी डीलर ऐसे नहीं होते. वो तो एक पिक्चर में तो एक प्रॉपर्टी डीलर ऐसा था, नॉट ऑल प्रॉपर्टी डीलर. बट आई एम सेइंग वो उनका एक जो बिहेवियर का जो पैटर्न है ना, दैट कैन बी कंपेयर्ड.
Really?
हाँ, वो उनका रहता है एक, देयर इज समथिंग इन कॉमन बिटवीन
तो
एवरी.
बम्बई में आपने घर,
आई थिंक इट कम्स मोर फ्रॉम सेल्स, यू नो.
बम्बई में कितने हाउस हंटिंग कर लिया अब आपने?
मैंने काफी की यार. अब तो खैर मेरा अपना घर है, बट अब
Where do you stay?
आई लिव इन, आई विल टेल यू लेटर.
What is the message, considering the fact that you worked in Chandni Chowk to China, what is the message that you want to give to China?
What is the message I want to give to China? मीडिया डेमोक्रेटाइज हो गया, चाइना भी हो जाए अब.
What is that one thing, again, Chandni Chowk to China, what is the one thing that you want to buy or have at Chandni Chowk?
अरे छोले कुलचे.
Last thing, if there's anything that you want to see changing in Calcutta where your last series is coming, what is it? The rule of Mamata Banerjee or the sequel of this Shikhar Home?
Oh, that's a difficult one, but I'm going to choose the sequel.
ममता बनर्जी रहे फिर?
For the sequel, see, that is a people's decision. I don't want to. I would rather take the sequel.
चलिए.
जनता अपना ख्याल खुद रख लेगी.
Wonderful, sir. It was pleasure talking to you.
Same here.
We wish you all the best
Thank you.
for a phenomenal career that you have had so
Thank you.
far.
Thank you.
And we of course want Harun to succeed, and we also want to see you bringing peals of laughter into our lives with the comic relief that you have, and also
In lead.
the heft in lead roles. And hope you find your ice creams, and one day we can also have an
Yeah.
ice cream with you on the Juhu Beach.
That was Turkish ice cream.
Turkish ice cream.
उसमें यही करते हैं, बार-बार ऐसे आपको गाजर दिखा के आइसक्रीम नहीं देते, ऐसे.
तो हम आपके साथ में
मेरे
ice
लिए
cream
बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेस ऐसे रही है. आई.
तो चलिए, we hope, I mean, of course, many
Thank you
such
so much.
box office successes like 2024 come to you as
Thank
well.